case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1977, the Arizona Supreme Court heard a case called Smith v. Coronado Foothills, Estates Homeowners Asin, which focused on damages related to wrongful injunction. Mrs. Beulah Smith was sued by the Coronado Foothills Estates Homeowners Association for building a home in violation of deed restrictions, even though she hadn't been given notice. The association obtained a temporary restraining order, with the court setting the bond amount at $10, which prevented Mrs. Smith from continuing construction for 6 days. The trial court later determined that a preliminary injunction could not be issued, and the temporary restraining order was dissolved. Mrs. Smith filed a counterclaim to recover damages for the wrongful injunction, but the trial court and Court of Appeals limited her recovery to the $10 bond amount. The Arizona Supreme Court took a different view, ruling that damages for wrongful injunction could exceed the bond amount given under Rule 65E of the Arizona Rules of Civil Procedure. Instead, they found that the party causing the injury should be held responsible for these actual damages, although sureties on the injunction bond would still only be liable up to the bond amount. In this case, the court ultimately held that the association was liable for damages beyond the $10 bond amount and reversed the trial court's judgment. The case was then remanded for further proceedings in line with the court's opinion. This decision reinforced the idea that in certain cases, a party causing injury resulting from wrongful injunction can be sued for actual damages, while the sureties on the injunction bond are only liable up to the bond amount. Malicious prosecution, however, must be shown to claim damages beyond this amount.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.